Well, hello and welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the broken plunger on a Commodore 128. Since, well, I'm doing it, and I might as well do a video. Anyway, you open up the computer first, of course. Let's see here now. Yeah, right, it's these things. Someone's been in this thing already. Let's see. There is a clip somewhere here that's holding it in place if you've taken out all the screws, including the one in the middle. There we go. Let's see here. There you go. A little bit of careful prying got that open. And of course we're gonna have to get rid of this ground lead. That's always there annoyingly. I guess it has its reasons to be there. Well, of course, before you can do this, make sure you have some spare parts. Just simply remove this thing. A bit careful not to bend any pins. That's what happened. I wonder why that thing looked weird. Normally you have to unplug that thing too. Let's just leave that there and we'll deal with that later. This one we won't need for now. I'm not gonna bother to take the keyboard out of the case since that's just unnecessary. And for now, we're gonna have to desolder these things. Just like move them up a bit. Something like that. Not move them too much since it will be easier to put them back after that. As always, we want to make this as easy as possible for ourselves. And now to the annoying part. Every single one of these small screws needs to go. And get yourself a good box, otherwise you're gonna have to get some spares of those too. And no, I won't edit this out, so you're gonna have to watch me unscrew these. But you can probably just skip ahead. I'm probably just gonna check that in the description on how far you're gonna need to go to skip ahead. And when you get this off, there's no need to worry for all the plungers to fall out since the keys are holding them in place. So only one will fall out, the one with the missing key and the one that was broken. This is not the worst part. The worst part is putting everyone back in place. And then there is one underneath of here, I think. No, that's the C64 that has that stupid thing. And well, yeah, this is exactly the same procedure on the Commodore 120, Commodore 64. of doing these things. It's just removing all those screws, lift it up, move it to the side, and well, here we have the keyboard with all the plungers. So now it's just a question of taking out the old one. Here we have the broken one, and just to put the new one in. And now we're just gonna have to put everything back together, which I won't show you since it's already a 5-minute video. So, well, it's just as simple as placing it back on, make sure everything lays in its right position, maybe get rid of some dust, and screw it all back together. So that's it for this video, and hope it will help someone anyway. See you next time.